Why not? It's a big box. I like the big boxes. I gotta stand way back. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. Ooh. Any and everything down below. Now then. Alright. I have multiple boxes in boxes, so we're gonna take this one out here. Alright, so I'll set this aside. I'm excited for this one. Oh, that is cool. No, what I'm saying is cool. There's no tape on the bubble wrap, so it comes right off. That's right, ThePIGToo, March 5th through 8th, 2020. Oh, that is really cool. There's one of our logos. Huh. That is really nice. A big pig, thanks. Oh, there's a whole box of them. Oh, I can't wait. Hope to see you there. So until next time.